What's up, YouTube? If you like making money, you are at the right channel in the right place. Daily Cash Stocks. We are back with another video. I'm your host, Lloyd Phillips. Let's get it. All right. Today's topic is, should you be investing in the stock market? I'm going to give you that answer and plus some nice examples and some good tips and tricks that you can use to kind of look and see, you know, the proof is in the pudding. All right. As you can see in my account right now, I'm up plus $12,000. All right. Plus $12,000. I started investing around this time last year. All right. So there's proof in the pudding, man. Just make sure you guys firstly like, subscribe to this channel, like this video, man, comment, ask questions and different things like that. I want to help you guys out. That's what this channel is for, man. So today's question is, should you be invested in the stock market? All right. And my answer is straight up like this. If you like making money, if you like residual income, if you want to build a vehicle, all right, for success, for your future, for your family, you know what I mean, a financial vehicle that can help you get there, then yes, you should be invested in the stock market. All right. If you look at, you know, all the big companies, all the big moguls, NBA stars, NFL stars, celebrities, people with a lot of money, how they make their money grow is investing, whether that's in real estate or whether that's in the stock market or other business ventures. All right. So we as the normal people, you know, that's mainly who I'm talking about, in beginners, we got to do the same thing, right? We got to be able to do the same thing. All right. So we got to be smart. We got to get on our game. We got to get on our grind, our hustle, and get in the market, man, because there's a lot of ways to make money in the market. All right. There's a lot of ways to make money, and there's a lot of ways to kind of build financial freedom, financial success. All right. Financial success by being in the stock market. All right. And here's my big thing, right? So I gave you, you know, that a lot of famous people and things like that are in the stock market. But the big thing is this. At this point in time, it's so easy. It's so easy to start investing in the stock market. All right. I got this app up, Robinhood. I like Webull. I also have an account on there. And you can also check out my old videos showing you guys how to set up an account and do all that on Robinhood and Webull. You have E-Trade, you have Ameritrade, you have so many different options that you can download this app, all right, and be trading that same day or a couple days once your money that you deposit is available. All right. And it's simple. I mean, but 10 years ago, it wasn't this easy to be invested in the stock market. You had to jump through a lot more hoops. All right. Now I could wake up at 4 a.m. and be trading. I could wake up at 9, sell or buy some type of stock. All right. So that's the big thing, man. Like, the easiness of it is great, and it has no barriers. All right. It has no barriers. Rich, poor, middle class, what your gender is, what you believe. It doesn't matter. All right. Anybody can invest. All right. As long as you have some capital, you can invest. And you don't need a lot of capital. I'm going to show you guys an example here in a couple minutes that you don't need a lot of, you know, capital or a lot of money to start investing, man. Just put some money aside and start investing. All right. And I'm going to give y'all that example in a little bit. You know what I mean? So I hope I'm helping y'all out, and I'm putting y'all on game, man. Again, like and subscribe. If I'm helping you guys out, share this content as well. So real quick, let's look at Apple, right? A lot of us buy a lot of Apple products, right? And here's my whole thing. If you are buying a lot of products, such as myself, I like Nike. I like to use DoorDash a lot. All these different companies, Apple, if you know, like different cars, shoes and different things like that, clothes, designer clothes, that are pricey, you know what I mean? You should be invested in that company, right? You should be invested. So let's just take an example of Apple. A lot of us have Apple phones. I don't have an Apple phone. I'm one of the few, you know, to walk my own path, you know, and don't call us Android users. I have a Samsung. I hate the word Android. I know y'all gonna get on me anyway, but anyways, I do have some Apple products. I have an Apple iPad. Also had an Apple Watch. So I had different Apple things, and I like their AirPods. So, but if you look at it, a lot of these products that Apple have, You know, like the new phone that's out right now, that's probably $1,000, right? It's $1,000. Apple's shares is at 124 as of Friday. All right, it's Monday, Memorial Day. Shout out to all the veterans that lost their lives and gave their lives for us to have this freedom. But today's Memorial Day, so the stock market is not open. But the stock is at 124. All right, so you could be invested in Apple with $124. And I know some of you say you might not have it and things like that, but remember, like what I said, we'll go out and buy, AirPods for over $100. I know kids, I'm a school teacher, they get AirPods and lose them within the week or the month, and their parents go out and buy them another pair. All right, I know people that have the iPhones, and growing up, have people with iPhones that crack their screen all the time and get a new one or replace the screen and all these different things that we're spending on this product, spending on products that Apple has. We should be invested. So when they're doing good, we're doing good. The same thing with shoes. I see a lot of people buying shoes, designer belts and different things like that. If you go and buy Nikes and Adidas, Yeezys and Jordans, man, be invested in them, right? Be invested. Get you some shares in that company so you can start making some money. And a lot of these companies, such as Apple, pay dividends, so they give you money to be invested, plus the revenue and that the stock is making every year. So if you put $1,000, all right, $1,000 into Apple, if you put $1,000 into Apple 5 years ago, you would be up plus 400%. All right, you'll be up plus 400%, which means you would be up over $1,000 and now at over $4,000 plus dividends that they have been giving you over the last 5 years. All right, so just think of that, right? That is a great return. If you put your money, if you go bury it in a yard, if you go put it under a mattress, or if you go put it in a savings account right now, you cannot get that return plus 400. All right, let's look at the last year. Look, the last year plus 56%. All right, plus 56%. So whatever, if you put 1,000 in, you'd be up $500 just in the year by investing in Apple. All right, so that's why you should be invested. This is a great example right here of why you should be invested in companies, good companies at that. All right, now understand this. The big things that I want you guys to understand is make sure you're invested in good companies. Like I said, I gave y'all some examples. Companies that you buy, companies that you know that are doing well and going to continue to do well. All right. And then the second thing is this. Make sure, all right, that you are building this for long-term success. All right. Long-term success, that vehicle that I keep talking about. Build that vehicle up. Slowly add. Slowly buy Apple shares. Like I said, if you don't have the money to put 1,000 in, slowly, I'm going to put $50, $60 aside every paycheck. And, just keep adding that, until I can have enough to buy some shares of Apple. And over time, your shares will just keep adding. All right. And there's also some other ways, some penny stocks, some stocks that aren't as high as Apple that you can invest in as well. And remember that every stock is not going to do well as Apple did. All right. You're not going to have, over 5-year span where your stock went up 400%. That's not going to be every stock. But like my cousin always says, man, if you're in the game, at least you're in the game and you got some opportunity. You know what I mean? If you're not, you have no opportunity. But just think, $1,000, just think $2,000 will be up over $8,000. $3,000 would be up over $9,000. So, you just got to think, I could be investing instead of buying this new phone, instead of buying these AirPods and different things like that, worthless things that I'm not going to be using in 5 years, or I can invest in a great company and in 5 years be up $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 that easy. So that's my example right there. That's why investing, the more chance you set yourself up for financial freedom. All right. So as you see, like myself, you seen my testimony is how I'm up 11,000 just over the year. All right. Also check out my video where I'm talking about some of the things that I learned. All right, to help you guys out. But there's a lot of ways, man, to make money in the stock market. I'm gonna continue to make videos. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure if you have any questions or need anything, comment down on this video I hope you guys have a blessed day. I wanted to make this video short and sweet. We'll be coming back with more content from Daily Cash Stocks. Peace. We love y'all. Keep grinding. Make sure you invest, man. Also, I forgot to put this in. If you want 2 free stocks, make sure you sign up through Webull, through my link that is in the description. Peace.